So I have got here with me a deck of playing cards, and each and every one of these cards are different. Right? Okay. I'm going to riffle like this. You order me to stop at any point. In the middle. In the middle. Over here. So then I want to go over, but is that enough force? That's enough. So when you order me to stop, please take that card and without looking at it, place it in your pocket. Place it in your pocket. You may even go and have a sip. I'm going to mix up the cube. But before I do that, I'm going to pick up one of our. No, don't take it. I'm going to mix up the cube, but in a very special manner. What card is selected? No? Let me show you something very interesting. Do you see A over here? And also an H, which only means that your total card can only be the king of hearts, and the card which you have really chosen, if that becomes the king of hearts, is that going to be a miracle? Take it out and show it to